Good morning, Miss Neville Science students. Here's your Friday check-in. I wanted to start off by apologizing to each one of you about yesterday's internet issues. There were internet issues at various schools across the district yesterday, so I wanted to apologize that we weren't able to have our live session yesterday. During our live session, we were going to start learning about protists, and we'll just learn that lesson after testing next week. I wanted to go over with you next week's schedule, so I need you to listen very closely and share this video with your parents as well. All Monday and Wednesday classes that are morning classes for science are canceled. That's because most of you will be at your home school taking your past test. Now, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, while live sessions are scheduled to occur, Ms. Neville is actually testing students on campus face-to-face. So if testing goes longer than 12:28, you will have a recorded lesson you'll need to watch and assignments you'll need to complete for Tuesday and Thursday, okay? So it's important for you to realize that after testing ends, we're going to talk about what live sessions and what classroom assignments will look like. Basically, this is a perfect time for you to be completing assignments that may be missing for science or any class because you'll have so much more time on your hands to get those assignments done. If you need a list or if you need to tell Ms. Neville what assignments I need to unlock, please email me and I'll definitely help you out that way and let you get some partial credit for some assignments you turn in late. If you have any questions for me today, please feel free to reach out to me through email. I look forward to seeing everyone next week, some of you face-to-face for the first time. Have a great day. Bye.